woke up with the rising sun. I was
New York City is the center of the universe, and Barneys is the capital of fashion and holiday window display. When I was a sophomore at Parsons School of Design, I had the honor of assisting artist Josh Gosfield with his window display at Barneys. It was an incredible experience which planted this dream in my head that one day I would be commissioned by Barneys to make my own artwork for their holiday windows and to work with their legendary creative director, Simon Doonan. My dream became a reality when I got a call from the manager of display production at Barneys saying, "Simon loves your work and wants you to sculpt heads of celebrity chefs for the holiday windows." Usually my sculptures are quite small, but Simon said to make them larger than life. I wish at the end of every job I could meet the people that I sculpted, and in this case, after 7 weeks working around the clock, I did. It was amazing to interact with the chefs and hear their feedback. It was an experience I will never forget.